All right, Patreon. I just finished riding the Rockaway shuttle all the way for the YouTube channel, but now this is just for you. I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to take the Rockaway Long Island Railroad back to Atlantic Avenue. Not straight back to Atlantic Avenue, obviously, because it doesn't do that anymore. Shuttle buses, let's see. First I have to find it. Google Maps says I go here and then cross the road between the two buses. And yeah, those were the shuttle buses that go back to Howard Beach. Construction's making me walk on this side. Yep, construction just completely blocked off that sidewalk. But here's the Long Island Railroad. Far Rockaway. Wow. That's interesting, pretty nice station. Oh, it's a discounted fare. That's okay. Well, that's cool. It's even less than a subway fare for a Rockaway ticket. Yeah, I remember I tried to buy it on the train app. Here's the ticket I bought. And first I'd like to smack Fraser Reynolds. Thank you for this city ticket, because he's got a city ticket membership to the Patreon. Thank you. Let's see, Locust Manor, Jamaica, and Grand Central. Okay.
10:25. Train to Grand Central will depart in 6 minutes on track 1.
6 minutes. As I was saying, to buy the Far Rockaway ticket at a discount, you have to be in the area of Far Rockaway. It makes you reveal your location so you can buy that ticket. There's an Inwood LIRR station. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, there's an arriving train right now. How about that? Cool. Busy station for not so many people. And by busy, I mean, like, lots of trains, not lots of people, obviously. Off we go. Ugh. Gross. These windows are terrible. Yeah, can barely see. I guess it's partially because of the sun.
Grand Central. The next station is Inwood.
Only the rear 4 cars of this train will open at Inwood Station.
Only the rear 4 cars. I just like the way she said that. It's kind of funny. Here's Inwood. What an interesting station. Inwood, the back 4 cars opened here. Yeah, usually it's the front cars, which is why I found that odd. Lawrence is next. Oh, construction work. This is an all local train, so wow, we got a lot of stops. Cedarhurst, Woodmere, Hewlett, Gibson, Valley Stream, Rosedale, Laurelton, Locust Manor, and then Jamaica. Yeah, and then we still got to take the Atlantic Avenue shuttle, essentially. Atlantic Terminal, Long Island Railroad shuttle. I'm going to stay on the platform side. These windows kill me. Come on. The Atlantic Terminal shuttle wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't such a long trip up and over from everywhere. Well, this is Woodmere. Man, these are really close together stops. Yeah, it's almost like a subway. There's some odd construction, a lot of construction happening on this line. And here we are at Hewlett. These are all stations I have never been to. It actually makes sense, the construction, because why would they fortify the subway and not the Long Island Railroad against future storms? Makes perfect sense. Gibson. Man, that beeping is loud when we're standing right next to it. So here's something weird I just realized. Check this out. ro.co/LIRR. That's an affiliate link. That means the MTA sells affiliate links. Interesting. Like a YouTuber. Yeah, they get a little bit of back end, I guess, from website traffic. Ooh, a lot of people waiting here at Valley Stream. I should claim a seat. Rosedale, Laurelton, Locust Manor, and then we get to Jamaica. All right, well, let's get there already. I'm kind of bored. Oh, more construction, sort of. They're just sort of doing stuff, pointing and stuff on the tracks. Oh, little construction ants. They're doing some construction here at Laurelton. Let's go get a closer look. Here they are. Well, not the ants. They're actually here on the platform. Good job, MTA. Right on. There's the ants. Not really ants, obviously. They're hardworking people. All right, come on. This is getting boring. Let's just get... Oh. I could get a shot of this M7 over here, going back toward Rockaway, I guess. But the windows... Completely unusable out that window. The windows are completely unusable for footage. Especially if the sun is shining directly on it. The refraction is horrible. And they're not going to fix them either. That's a big field. Goodness gracious.
At Jamaica Station. The station is Jamaica. After Jamaica, this is an express train to Grand Central Station only. Transfer opportunities here at Jamaica. For Woodside, Penn Station, East New York. Nostrand Avenue, Atlantic Terminal, Brooklyn, Air, train to JFK, International Airport, and all other destinations. If you are transferring here at Jamaica, please remember your tickets and personal belongings. Please hold small children by the hand. Always step over the gap when exiting the train. This station is Jamaica.
Lots of great tips. Should I stay on this train and go to Grand Central? No, I really just want to go back to Atlantic Terminal. All right, this is track 2. I'm going this way. Now for the absurd up and over to Brooklyn shuttle, the Atlantic Terminal shuttle. Up, and hey, Brand Stark called. He wants his coat back. Up the stairs. Race the people on the escalator.
Train on. Open the next train on track 7 at 11:01.
Oh man. Track 2, seriously?
11:09. Train to Long Beach next on
That's
track
messed up.
5 at 11:15. Point to main train now boarding track 8.
Gotta go all the way to the end. The longest walk possible. The up and over is like up and over. Stupid thing doesn't leave until for 11 minutes, so I got time to walk all the way to the front. I say stupid thing. I don't really mean it's a stupid thing. It's just I'm not a skateboarder. I'm not happy that this shuttle exists necessarily, but it serves its purpose, I guess. I'm glad it didn't leave without me. There's a nice M9 over there. Very nice M9. Well, there's an M9 for Huntington. Here's our Metropolitan Transit Authority M3. Wow. Dinosaur train. Still kept pretty well. M9 for thee, but not for me. We get the M3. That rhymed, but hey! It's right here. I said this right here is my spot.
Brooklyn 7 East York, Nostrand Avenue, and Atlantic Terminal, Brooklyn. Please have all tickets, including mobile ticket stations, activated and ready for inspection at this time. 11:15 local train to Atlantic Terminal, Brooklyn.
The bell is ringing and we're about to get going. Sweet. Railfan window, which track are we taking? Left or right? Left or right? Right! That's... Yay! Alright, let's go. Zoom. Pigeons! Careful, pidgeys. Careful. Alright, good. They're being careful mostly. Cool. Alright, zoom again. Which track are we taking? Straight this time. Mwah. Good old train switches. There's Dunton House, like the rail house there. Which track? Straight. Oh, Boland's Landing, and a dude's just chilling there. I guess he's waiting for his workers only train. at Boland's Landing. Could just be a random dude, just like, hey, there's a train track here, there's a train stop. I'm going to stop and wait for the train. Might not be a MTA employee. I'm sure he's an MTA employee. And here's a tunnel. The tunnel to East New York. Wow, this new camera gets some pretty nice footage of the inside of the tunnel. Man, I miss railfan windows on the subway. Let's get going. Next stop, Nostrand Avenue. Traveling under the highway. Was that an M7? Not sure what that was, but I don't care. I'm enjoying this. Nostrand Avenue, and next is Atlantic Terminal. Oh, cool. Okay. I'll go ahead and call it then, thanks. Alright. I was asked to leave the railfan window. Bummer. Yeah, the operator said the conductor's going to need to get here soon, so I said, okay, gotta go. The good old R46 sister wallpaper here with the MTA seal embedded in it, or sort of. Oh, whoa! The lights went out, and check it out. It glows in the dark. All the important information glows in the dark. Awesome. And it's bright too. I did not know that those things glow in the dark, and they still work. Not only do they work, they're bright as all heck. Like, dang. Like, is it safe to ride in these M3s? Am I gonna get radiation poisoning from those glow in the dark stickers? Just kidding. And that was that. Man, it was a pretty good surprise finding a actual for real railfan window on a train in the MTA service. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Thank you, Patreon, for all your support. I really appreciate it. There might be some adjustments coming later this year, but I'll let you know.